back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm so glad to be back to sit down and talk about where I've been, why I haven't been posting sit down videos, why you've been seeing vlogs, all that kind of stuff. Grab your favorite sugar-free drink and let's get started with this video. Okay, so I have been gone because I have been on a weight loss journey. So for the past 7 months, I have been just gym crazy. So since January 4th of this year, I have been on a weight loss journey. So I've been going to the gym, I've been on a diet. So realistically, my mind was on work and gym. And I'm gonna be honest with you, YouTube was like work, gym, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Work, gym, YouTube. I'm in a good place right now. Now I'm gonna get back into my videos. So I just want to talk about my weight loss journey. So I lost 35 pounds. It's just been the greatest experience, going to the gym and leaving the gym feeling 10 times better, knowing that I just burnt like 400 calories or 500 calories from my workout. So what I would do when I was in the gym, I would do cardio. So I do cardio for 40, 45 minutes or 50. I never did cardio for an hour because I found being on the treadmill boring. So I liked doing it for only 40 minutes or 45. It all depends on my mood. And then after that, I would do strength. So with my strength, that consisted of leg presses. I love leg presses because my legs feel like a rock after. So I would do leg presses. I never used to stretch, and then my brother told me, yo, you need to stretch because your muscles are gonna tense up. And that's what happened for like the first 2 months. I would go to the gym and I would do like strength exercises, and my muscles will tense up like a little, like it will like shrivel up. And then for my diet, I did the ketogenic diet. So if you guys are not aware of what the ketogenic diet is, the ketogenic diet is a high fat diet, low carb diet. So realistically, you're putting just high healthy fats into your body, low carb or no carb. When I go to the grocery store, I always looked at the products on the back to see how much carbs are in the back, how much sugar, how much salt. It's very important because I feel like a lot of people do the ketogenic diet and they basically only look at those two things. Like, you have to look at everything because you want to make sure that you're not putting too much salt into your body because you're still going to be gaining weight because salt will make you gain weight. I always looked at the back, made sure it was low sodium, low carb or no carb, low sugar or no sugar. My ketogenic count, I think for sugar, was 28 grams a day. That's nothing. In a can of pop has like 40 grams of sugar, just a can of pop. So imagine having only 28 grams of sugar a day. So that's how much I was allotted. I can't remember how much I was allotted for carbs, but for sugar I was only 28. And sometimes I'd be like, you know what, I have no sugar today, so let me have an iced coffee. And sometimes I have to ask them, be like, how much sugar is in this? I'll just tell them to put half a pump of sugar so I can at least get some sugar in my body for when I go to the gym, I can, you know, fuel up. So yeah, that's what I would do when I go to the grocery store. So ketogenic diet, so it pretty much forces your body to burn fats rather than carbs. So that's why I liked that diet, and I was still able to eat whatever I wanted. So I had my cheese, I had avocado, I had my low carb vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, cauliflower. It was that bomb. And I was able to eat chocolate too. I was able to eat dark chocolate with a minimum of 70%. You can't have anything less than that, or else you're gonna knock yourself out of ketosis. So that's reasons why I liked that diet. And overall, I lost about 35 pounds. So it brought me to a better place for 7 months. Actually, today would make it exactly 7 months. So this is my before picture. This is my before picture. This is my after picture. So as you can see, huge difference, and I'm so happy. So ways of losing weight: drink a lot of water, drink tons of water, drink a lot of water like water is going out of style. Drink as much water like there's gonna be a drought. Drink. To be consistent with the gym. I went to the gym 5 times a week. Sometimes I went 6 times, then I went 7 times. I was going straight, and then I noticed that my body went into like a hold where I wasn't losing anything. Then I realized, Adriana, you're going to the gym too much. You need to rest a little bit. So I rested, and then my body's like, okay, thank you. You see, I was rebelling. I saved you. Now, let's burn fat again. So that's what happens. So be determined, have a mindset, have a goal. This is how much I want to lose. I personally want to lose 55 pounds. I'm at 35 pounds. So I still have 20 more pounds to go, and I'm good. Hopefully by October, I lose that extra 20 pounds, but it's a journey. It's a journey, and have a goal. Know exactly what you want to lose. And I have a board in my room. It's a calendar, and I write pretty much my workouts on there, the days that I worked out, so I can visually see it. Sometimes people visually need to see that they've worked out, and not in their mind saying, oh yeah, I worked out that day, or I worked out that day. I like to see my goals visually. So in my room, I have a board, a calendar, where I mark my workout. I have an agenda. I have a workout agenda where I also put them into my agenda as well, where when I worked out and what time and what I did and how much calories I burned, so that each day I know I can beat this by that day. You know, I can beat my workout the next day. So if I lost 400 calories, I know the next day I can lose 410 calories. Or I know I did that workout yesterday, because sometimes we tend to forget what workouts we did. So I like to look at that to see the next day, okay, well, I'm gonna do this workout next, or I'm gonna do that workout next. So I can see how to plan out my gym days. Also too, there's a lot of good apps on the Apple App Store that you can search for workouts as well. So I also resorted to my phone for workouts as well. 2, don't cheat, because if you guys are going to do the ketogenic diet, it's not very good to cheat, because it takes about a week to put yourself into ketosis. So if you cheat, realistically, you're throwing yourself the hard work that you did with ketosis, with being in ketosis. You're going to knock yourself out just to eat a cheeseburger, and then have to work hard again to put yourself into ketosis to burn fat again. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't work. So just continue to do ketosis, and then after you've burned and lost all the weight that you intended, then you can knock yourself out of ketosis, then do whatever diet that you want, then you can do your cheating, or cheats, your cheat days. And eat whatever you want on that cheat day. Because like, I didn't want to do that because it's hard to get into ketosis. So I said, I'm not cheating. I ain't cheating. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it motivates you guys to go on a weight loss journey if you feel like you want to lose weight. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos, more content, more me. I feel like I want to do more like weight loss stuff on my channel. So I think the next video I'm going to do is what I eat in a day, so that you guys can see, like, if you're on a diet, if you're on the keto diet, what I eat in a day and what I drink in a day, whatnot. And probably I'll do workouts as well, but I'm gonna work myself up to that part. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.